So this is how the program looks like so far. Start push button that starts the process. When 12 sheets are stacked, the conveyor moves to position B. Sensor B is used to stop the conveyor, and the paint is applied for 10 seconds. After painting is complete, the conveyor then moves to position C, and at position C, the conveyor stops and everything resets. So let's use the simulation software in order to see how this program works. This is how the program looks like in the simulation software. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the light. So I'm going to use the first light to indicate the start process. The second light is for the conveyor, and the third light is for the paint. The first light is a yellow light. The second one, which is the one for the conveyor, is a green light. And the third light is red, that indicating the paint. For the start push button, I'm going to use the first push button. For sensor A, B, C, I'm using number 2, 3, 4. So for sensor A, B, and C, I'm using exactly the same addresses. So you go online, download the program, and then hit the run mode. And in the start push button, so as soon as I hit the start push button, the start process turns on and stays on. So for sensor A, this one that counts the number of sheets. So every time you click on the push button, that indicates a 1 transition. So you need to do it for 12 times to indicate that you reach the 12 sheets. Once we reach the 12th sheet, the conveyor then moves. Notice here that the green light is on, indicating that the conveyor has moved to position B. This sensor is for position B, so once we get to position B, now the conveyor stops and the paint stays on for 10 seconds. As soon as the timer is done timing, the paint stops and the conveyor starts again. And you can notice that the lights, the red turns off and the green turns on. So the conveyor stays on until we reach position C. That's in push button 4. So once we reach position C, the conveyor stops and everything resets.